I'm Prashant. We're going to talk about search engine optimization. Generally, we call it by SEO. It has three words in it: search. Let me talk to you about this using some practical examples. So suppose I'm a person who is going on internet and searching about a t-shirts which I want to buy for myself. So I'll go and search for t-shirts for men. So what I did, I just made a search here. This search has been made in one platform. This platform is called as an engine. In our case, this platform is Google. Some of the cases could be Bing. If you are in China, you might be using Baidu. If you are in Russia, you might use Yandex. So these are the different search engines worldwide used. Most of the times, we always go for Google. It is one of the mostly used search engine in the planet. So what I did, I made a search in a search engine and we received results. Can you see here? This is the top result we received from Myntra, then Agio, then Flipkart, and list goes on and on. See, there are multiple pages, one after one. Why there are so many pages and why this website, Myntra, is ranking at the top? That is the real answer to search engine optimization. The last word of SEO is optimization. Optimization, if we simply understand this term, it means making something better. We generally call it just optimize it a little bit. It means make it a little bit more better. So let me show you that how these results are better than all of the results which are into the bottom, right? For example, we search for t-shirts for men and you see here the result first has t-shirts for men into the description and this is t-shirts for men into the title. If you go to the second one, Agio, men's t-shirts, that is the search term which search for, and then t-shirts for men. This is the same term which is matching here. See, all the terms which are matching with your search query are in bold. Here, take an example of Flipkart. If we go down, if we take any other, like for Shoppers Stop, the same t-shirts for men. If you go a little more down, t-shirts for men. And if you go to the second page or third page or any other page, men t-shirts, t-shirts for men. If we go down, t-shirts for men. See, all those results which contain the same keyword are coming at top. Now question arises, why the results from Mufti jeans is into the third page and when the first page has Agio and Myntra, not anything else? See, the reason behind that is different tactics of search engine optimization. So let's just go back to our chart and see what are the different things which includes into search engine optimization. So we are going to talk about the introduction, which is today's session. Then we are going to talk about the evolution of Google searches, how it started. We need to understand a little bit about the algorithm, how Google search works, how you make a query and it comes back to you. Then search engine result page. This is one thing which you need to understand because see, in this page we are getting some ads also, right? We might get some product listings also with the pricing. How is it working? How does that work, right? So you need to understand the search engine result page. It means this entire page is called as SERP. All right. Then we will move on to tools for search engine optimization. Now we'll say like, what tools do we use? I mean, everything is visible to me, but no, not everything is visible to you. If you remember, I asked you one thing, or I told you one thing, that why Agio or Myntra as a top, not Mufti? To understand that reason, you can use multiple tools. For example, if I'm going to show you this tool, I'm going to my box here and then turn on this tool. And if I refresh the page, you will see some results coming differently. Okay, let's just wait for a while and see here. Can you see some of the results has been changed? Can you see this DA domain authority came up, referral domain came up, referral links 25 millions came up. See, this has 699k, this has 72 million. All these factors, technical factors, how many keywords are there, how many keywords are ranking over there, are making the difference here. And this all comes under the part of these tools. We are going to learn the different tools so that we can understand that. We're going to talk about the on-page SEO. Now we'll say like what exactly the on-page SEO is. It means everything which is visible to you is a part of on-page SEO. For example, here buy men's t-shirts online at sold store. This is the title. This is the description. This is the URL. All these things are the part of on-page SEO. Anything which is visible to you is a part of on-page SEO. Now you'll say like, okay, how does that work? For example, I'm here at bewkoof.com, which is one of the most famous brand in India. So if you go to a tool called as SEO Minion and turn on it, what will you find it? If I analyze the on-page SEO of this website, you'll find it how the title is. Is it within the 60 characters or more than that? How the description is it within the 150 characters or more than that? See, this exclamation means the result has more characters than it is required. How many H1, H2, H3 tags are there? What are the tags? What is the URL? All text are something. It is a little technical things which we are going to talk about in further sessions. But you can use these tools to understand the on-page SEO of the website. Furthermore, we will go to off-page SEO of a website. So how many links are there in a website? It means if a website has 1000 links and another website has 1 crore links, which one you think will go live or which will think rank better? Without any second thought, the website which has more than 1 crore links will definitely rank better than the website which has only 1000 link. So having the backlink is very much important. So how can you do the backlink? How can you make website more shareable is the part of off-page SEO. Then we have the technical SEO. There are a few things which you need to understand. Okay, it means you want to rank your website in Google. You got to understand how Google rank your website. For example, come over here. See this website, this whole store has few links here. What these links are, how they come up here. These are the part of technical SEO. You need to know that what site links are, you need to know what robot.txt are, what schema is, what canonicals is, and so many other factors also which are not mentioned here. Even we are going to talk about those as well. So you need to understand the technical part of SEO. We are going to talk about the local SEO. It means suppose if you are here and searching for a restaurant near me, right? What would you get? You definitely gonna get these kind of restaurants here, right? And when you are here, you'll get some other restaurants, okay, near about you. Tasty Bites. See, there are multiple restaurants. Which one is ranking the top? Which is nearby you or which has most ratings in it? So you can always get that. This is called as local SEO. If we go back here, we have e-commerce SEO. Like for each and every product, you need to make it like anybody who's searching for t-shirts for men or women, you can simply go and check, okay, this is the e-commerce product, right? Men's fit t-shirt. Now we are getting all the t-shirts for the men only. If suppose I change the word with men to women, what will happen? Definitely I'm not going to see any t-shirts of men here. See, all the t-shirts are women. So you need to understand how to do the product SEO. Okay, so that's part of e-commerce SEO. And then later we have YouTube SEO. You'll say like, YouTube is a social media platform. Yeah, it is, but it has SEO. For example, you want to be a star in YouTube or start your channel or cooking or anything, personal blog. You'll go on YouTube and put a video. For example, this lady here, she's into USA and she's a data scientist, day in life of a New York person. You say like, what could be the SEO in this one? She recorded a video and put it over here. No, my friend. If you click here and if you do not directly jump to watch this video, if you do the digital marketing of this video, you can see here by the use of a tool here, I can simply tell you this video has many things. Can you see the video tags? These are the tags she has used. If anybody is searching for how much JP salary, top internships in USA, Mang companies, software engineering, data science internship, these are the tags, keywords that we use in YouTube. That's called as video tags. You can simply see here how many views she has got because of using these tags, her channel tags, how good the title is, what she has, what she doesn't have, how good the SEO is, has she used any keywords or something or not. See, these all are the part of search engine optimization. So we're going to talk about the YouTube SEO as well. There will be many other things which are not mentioned here, but we'll talk about them within each of these sessions. All right. So that's it for this video. Let's just start the next one. That's it for this video. We will talk about the next thing in the next video. Thank you.